Hi, and welcome to this introduction of BIM Energy. In this short video, I will show you how to start a new project and create a digital twin of your building. We will start by pressing Create a new project. After that, we will press Basic and enter a name. We can choose either to work in Sweden or globally. Here, I'm showing you some example cities. For example, we can go to London to find the climate data, or in Berlin. After we search for a city, we simply press the dot to get the data. In my case, I'm working in Malmö, so I'm searching for Malmö and then pressing the blue dot. After loading, we click Next. Here, we choose the year the building was built and create our project. To create our building, we simply press Create a new building and enter some basic information. In this case, I'm adding 6 stories and a basement. Here you can see the current building. Next, we will choose Model from Map and find the address. Here you can see the actual building and just simply press on it. Click OK. Now, the building has been updated to the real shape and size. In this step, we will need to choose the heating, cooling, usage, and ventilation properties, and then press Create Building. At this point, we can already see the result and energy class. Next, we will create some alternative measures for the building. First, press Building. Then, we will go to Create Alternative. Here, we will name our alternative building and choose what measure we want to add in the drop-down menu. If we choose no measures added, we can create whatever measures we want in a later stage. Now, Create Alternative, and here you will see the new building. At this point, I want to add a few more alternatives. In the drop-down menu, I can either start from the current building or from the one we just created. I create another alternative, this time with a change of ventilation. The process here is the same. We'll name the building and add whatever change we want to do in the drop-down menu. Then we create the alternative. Lastly, I want to create an alternative that includes both measures at once. Instead of using the current building, we'll now start from change ventilation, and then in the name we will use both change ventilation and windows. As a measure, we will choose change windows and create alternative. With our new buildings added, we'll go to the compare slide to see how they measure against each other. We'll add scenario to add all our different versions. First, we have the new windows, then we'd use the new ventilation, and then we have the version with both change of ventilation and new windows. Scrolling down on the page will give us different charts for how the buildings stack up against each other. We have energy usage, energy class, economy and savings, and climate impact. Up here, we can see the monetary savings using the energy prices we define above. We can also add in costs of investment and then see how long time it will take to pay off. Finally, in the reports page, we can find a detailed analysis and results of a specific building. The results are also continuously updated, as can be seen here in the panel to the right.